I hope you guys like the intro, it's something new I'm trying out, but anyways, this PC is the PS5 killer. Now you have seen that title plastered all over YouTube, but it's genuinely true. I built this computer for around £480, which converts to $600. Please do remember that prices here in the UK are different to the US, meaning you could probably build this computer for cheaper. I used a mixture of new and used components to build this PC and to reach a similar price to the PS5. And the parts I'm using are the Ryzen 5 3600 used, an RX 6600 XT 8GB also used, and an 8x2 kit of 16GB of RAM, 3000 MHz. So for the new parts, I'm using a B450 MSI Pro motherboard, a new 1TB Fangxiang NVMe, a new Montech ARGB case, and a custom spray painted AMD CPU cooler. I'll have affiliate links down in the description for these items, which will help me out if you use them. Now let's move on to the benchmarks.
Hey, nigga, I would've just got my ass beat over a fucking gunfight.
Man, stop being a pussy, nigga, and grab that heat. Find your bitch ass some cover.
Now with the test complete, obviously the PC outperforms the PS5 as the console limits the frame rate for stability and it simply uses weaker hardware compared to the PC. But if you live in the UK and are interested, the computer will be available for purchase on our website, link in description. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and like and subscribe so I keep making more.